What's the meaning of careful? Careful. Careful.
Careful. Careful. Careful means to take necessary precautions and pay close attention to one's actions or surroundings in order to avoid mistakes or accidents. Being careful involves being aware of potential risks or dangers and taking steps to prevent them. It also means being thoughtful and considerate in one's actions towards others, showing concern for their well-being and taking care not to cause harm. Overall, being careful can lead to positive outcomes such as preventing accidents, maintaining good relationships with others, and achieving success in tasks undertaken.